Become a GST practitioner, be your own boss, choose your own flexible working hour, and earn as much as you can. This is the only platform which can give you the stable career as well as the regular income by exploring your knowledge on GST. Why to choose this profession? In India, GST was introduced in 2017. Since then, number of GST holder has been increasing day by day. But engagement of GST consultant has been stagnant during this period. Last exam for authorized GST practitioner was held in 2019. And that may happen anytime. So be prepared and grab the opportunity. Let's see some data. In India, number of GST holder is approximately 13 million, whereas the number of GST consultant is approximately 50,000. That means there is only one consultant engaged against the 260 GST holder. So there is a big scope and opportunity in this area. Hi, myself RK, working as a GST consultant for a long period. I am offering a new course on GST. This is a very well organized and advanced level GST workshop. In this course, I will give you the comprehensive hands-on training from basic to advanced level. Apart from that, I will share my real life experience in GST filing and GST work, which will help you a lot in future in gaining knowledge and skill. Course content. In this course, you will get 17 hours long video on 58 modules. Each module contains separate video. That means you will get total 58 numbers of video. Language will be in simple Hindi language, and you will get the entire course material and working data sheet after end of each video for your further development. Let's dive into the syllabus of the GST practitioner course. For your convenience, I have divided the course into 13 chapters. Chapter 1, 2 and 3 give you the fundamental idea of GST. Here I will clear your basic concept of GST for your subsequent chapters. Chapter 4 and 5. Here I have given special emphasis on input tax credit, which is the core area of GST. You will get total 16 videos on input tax credit where I explain all the areas along with the practical solutions. Chapter 6. This is the very important chapter. You can say that this is the outcome of this course. Here I have recorded large number of practical videos on GSTR 1 and 3B. You will get total 9 videos on live filing of GSTR 1 and 3B, where I explain all the areas so that you can learn filing just after completion of the course. Chapter 7, 8 and 9. Here I have discussed everything about GST invoicing, GST registration and GST reconciliation. Here I want to add that GST registration is very important, which will help you to grow your business. Because in on registration you can earn 500 to 2000 according to the type of registration. And GST reconciliation is another important chapter. After watching this video, you will learn to match your purchase book with GSTR 2B, match your sales data with GSTR 1, and many more matching of GST. Chapter 10 and 11. Here I have discussed everything about the reverse charge mechanism and GST and e-commerce in all angles. Chapter 12 is also very important. Here I have discussed everything about the composition scheme and GST. This will also help you to grow your business because it covers so many small taxpayers. 13 is the complementary chapter and is entirely free for those who have completed the earlier 12 videos. Here I have discussed the TDS in GST and shown how to calculate TDS in GST, how to maintain record, how to file TDS return, how to claim TDS, etc. I can assure you, you can't get this type of video in YouTube or anywhere. So grab the opportunity right now before I close the offer.